Firstly, I will want to thank special thanks to all the table tennis players, friends, and family for making our previous Zoom meeting successfully. We have conducted,
देवा वॉल्यूम कम कर ले बेटा.
and then after that, we also thankful to District Table Tennis Association, Shahdol, Riva, Satna, Ratla, and to the Madhya Pradesh Table Tennis Association, also to Sri Jay Sachkar sir and Sri Om Soni sir, and the National Association, National Table Tennis Association, that is Table Tennis Federation of India, to all the guested members. I also very thankful to them. And last but not the least, ITTF, International Table Tennis Federation, for providing us opportunity, being a promoter in India, giving us a huge responsibility over here to promote table tennis at a grassroots level, rural as well as urban area. And due to pandemic, we got this idea that we should start a Zoom meeting to have a common discussion with regarding with table tennis sport and the current situation. And I especially thank Mr. Ajay Dudeja ji, who is representing Ping Pong Club at Delhi. Without them, it is impossible for us to have such a huge network of table tennis friends and family. So without making any delay, we just starting our 7th session of Zoom meeting. Yes, Gaurav sir.
Yes. लोकेश जी, अभी आपने TTFI को आपने थैंक्स बोला
जी.
उन्होंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया कि आप उनको थैंक्स बोल रहे हैं? उन्होंने एक भी रिकमेंडेशन मानी है आपकी?
सर
मैं थोड़ा ना रेबल हूं, मैं थोड़ा ना सीधा डायरेक्टली बात करता हूं.
I'm one of the representative of TTFI, so I'm today will speak about whatever the information has been assigned to me. I'll be discussing on that. I'm representative of TTFI only. I'm executive member of technical committee as well as the education committee of TTFI. So, whatever the promotions, upliftment is doing or heading by TTFI, it's really remarkable in India as well as in abroad too. So I'm one of the representatives, and all we people are connected with TTFI, more or less. So I would request you that there may be conflicts. I can understand, but still in this pandemic, in this situation, this is the only way by which we can discuss. So instead of criticizing, we should emphasize on the learning.
Personally, I don't know what your age is. I'm 45, and I'm watching all this since my school days. So I'm not very convinced. You may be a member of TTFI, very good, but I hardly see ये जितना potential था इंडिया में उसका 1% भी टैप नहीं किया है.
ठीक है. See, sir, we have to work on every coin has two aspects, और I can understand कि
डिस्कस करते हैं.
हर सिस्टम में कमियां रहती हैं, और सुधारना और उसको सजेशन देना हमारा एक मौलिक अधिकार है. हमें करना भी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है, जब तक क्रिटिक्स नहीं होंगे इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं होगा.
सुधारने के लिए बहुत लोग बैठे हुए हैं, टांग अड़ाने के लिए लोग बहुत ज्यादा तंग करते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली. और हर सिस्टम में कोई ना कोई कमी रहती है, तो मिलकर हमें वो कमी दूर करनी है. और
करने तो नहीं देते ना जी,
it takes time.
करने तो नहीं देते.
Okay, dear participant, so it's a part of our discussion that we will have an open platform for having such kind of discussion also after the presentation. So, firstly, I just want to introduce our speakers. Firstly, Shri Puspen Puraswani sir. He is the international umpire and the technical expert. He is also working as in a Table Tennis Federation of India as well, and in a technical committee of Madhya Pradesh Table Tennis Association. And he is also assistant professor in LNIP, Gwalior. And our second speaker is Ayush Mahajan. He is MD of Medco Infra Private Limited, who is one of the Indian manufacturer of table tennis equipment, table tennis ball, racket. Now, these are the moderators who will taking care of. So, due to some reasons, Ajay sir is busy and Mr. Tarun is also busy. So, I will taking care of the role of moderator here. These are our main speakers. As I told earlier, Mr. Ayush Mahajan, he is Medco Sport Infra Private Limited, MD, a manufacturer of table tennis equipments, ball, racket, table, as well as flooring with the brand KTR. And Dr. Puspen Puraswani sir, Associate Professor, LNIP Gwalior, MP, India, and the ITTF International Empire, and the racket controller in Madhya Pradesh Table Tennis Association as a technical committee. So, in manufacture table tennis equipments, these are the key points that we will going to discuss. Manufacturing of table tennis equipment, standard rules, norms, how to select racket, rubber, sponge, and all that, and other table tennis accessories. And the manufacturer part will be covered by Ayush Mahajan sir. He will join within a minute. He will talk about the manufacturing part of table tennis equipment. And here is the role comes of Dr. Puspen Puraswani sir. So I request sir to give their views and knowledge to us about table tennis equipment.
Thanks, Lokesh. But I feel unless participants are less, so
Yeah.
I don't think that I should present my presentation. And I want more and more people should be benefited. Then only
Okay.
things will be. It would be beneficial.
Right.
So what do you think?
So
I think
you should
it should be, unless more participants are not there, people will not be benefited. So more participants should be invited, and then it could be
Okay. So
organized.
we can also have a recorded portion. So we will share on YouTube as well, and we will share this link to our all
So
the
okay, chalo.
members.
What exactly you want? Shall I share?
Yeah.
Because earlier it was, given in your schedule that first the manufacturer will be speaking and then I'll be speaking about the equipment. Or
Yeah,
I should
yeah,
start
yeah.
first.
Yes, sir.
I should
Sir, you
start.
should start first. He will join. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, I go with the presentation, especially related to the equipment. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm really honored to be given this golden opportunity to spare the knowledge related to table tennis, especially about the equipment, as I was assigned to discuss about the equipment. Uh, Friends, basically, table tennis. What is table tennis? That it is a tennis played over a table, right? It is an indoor game played in singles and doubles over a short handle racket or over a table with a short handle racket and a hollow plastic ball. So, first of all, we require table because that will make this game table tennis. So, we are actually playing tennis over table. So, about table, I would like to present my share my screen. So, wait a while, please. Lokesh, please stop
Yes,
your
sir. Yes.
sharing so that I can
Okay.
start.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir. No.
One second. Here I go. Can you see that?
Yeah, it is visible now.
So, well, for your information, again, I would like to tell about myself to you. I'm Dr. Pushpan Pushwani. I'm an associate professor at LNIP, Gwalior, which is renowned for physical education, not only in South Asia, even in other countries too. Uh, and I'm also a table tennis player and represented Rajasthan MP in senior national. I'm an international umpire, and presently I'm heading a post of technical committee member or of education committee of Table Tennis Federation of India. I had been to Yokohama World Championship to present a presentation related to table tennis in 2009. I had been to 2008 Beijing Olympic also related to my presentation, research and all. So today I'll be discussing about the equipment as I was assigned. So I would like to tell you about some salient feature of equipment. So first of all, to play table tennis, we have to have a table. I'm just showing that. See, this is the table, right? And you can see even on my roof in my background. So standardized table is prepared also. So everybody knows the table is 2.74 meter long, 1.525 meter wide, and 76 centimeter height. So it's very simple in feet, 9 by 5 by 2.5. So it's very simple, but all measurements are done in meters. So that's why I was telling you 2.74, 1.525, and 76. But you must have seen two lines are also marked. One is center line, another is end line and side line. So their dimension is also different. One is 2 centimeter end line and side line, and the center line is 3 mm. So it's very simple. Everybody can find it on the laws and regulation, but some silent feature that how we should select the table. So I let me tell you, table can be of any material. It can be of stone, wood, it can be of gold, anything, whatever you want. What we have to check, we have to check the bounce of it only. See, if we release a standard ball from 30 centimeter of height uh, to the table, it should yield a uniform bounce of 23 centimeter approximately when we release the ball, right? Standard ball. So approximately 23 centimeter bounce should be yielded back. Then we can see the bounce of the table is uniform and correct. It apart from that, it is made of any material. That's not the issue. It can be of any material, right? But the bounce should be uniform from all over all part of the table. Now, I would like to tell you about another salient feature, that is color. It can be of any dark color. According to the laws, table tennis table can be of any dark color, right? It can be made of any dark color. You can see it is the dark blue. Similarly, dark gray. Nowadays, it is in fashion. Black table are also in fashion. Nowadays, black tables has been much popular. And you must have seen the green table. You all have played on dark green table. So it can be of any dark color. But the lines are marked, that is of white color only. But recently in some tournament, you must have seen the red colors lines are there. But these are experimental. But according to the laws, still it is of any dark color. And the lines which are marked on the table, it is of white color. The thickness is given of the table, especially these lines. The thickness is given 2 centimeter end line and side line, and the center line, which is used in para table tennis as well as in the doubles of table tennis. In singles, it is of no use. In normal individual championship, it is of no use, right? But the thickness of this line is 3 mm, right? So I have already told you about table. Now I would go further. Table also having another portion in it, which is dividing the two equal part, that is net assembly. It is not net, it is net assembly. Why it is net assembly? It is made of different parts, like clamp by which we connect it to the table, then post, then suspension cord, which keeps it tight, and another thing is net, right? So 4 materials are kept in net assembly. One is obviously net is very much there. Then suspension cord by which it could be tightened. It could be hanged properly with the tight or with a firm strength. Then post on which it is hanged, and the clamp which is connected to the table, right? So that is net assembly, which completes the table actually. Now, how it is to be measured? There is the height also, 15.25 centimeter. It should be high from the table. And it is also extended both sides as the edge of the table, 15.25 centimeter. And it is measured with the net gauge. You must have seen such kind of net gauges there. It is shown in the presentation also, right? So by this, we have to keep it in 2 corners. We have to measure the height. Similarly, the tension is also measured by the tension gauge, which is 100 gram heavy, and it is kept in the center. It should just touch the table. Then we can say the strength or the tension of the table or net is perfect. So it is little heavier. So such kind of 100 grams net gauge is there. See, it is quite heavy. It is quite heavy. And this we have to place on the net at the center by keeping all the keeping the net gauge in the corners. Then we can see that this is having the good tension, right? So like this, we can measure the height and the tension of the net. Now we go further. The another equipment, that is ball. You must have played and you must have seen. The ball is spherical in the shape. Spherical means that golakar, or I should say the round, circle, spherical, vrittakar, right? And it should be of 40 mm diameter. The diameter, one edge to another edge from the center, it is 40 mm, the size of the ball. And the weight of the ball is 2.7 gram. Recently, lots of changes have been brought in the ball, especially till 99. Such ball was being used. It is 38 mm ball. It was increased to 40 mm. This was made by 40 mm. Over this, 40 is written. And recently, the polarized plastic ball has been introduced, 40 plus, which is known as. The size is still 40, but to differentiate between a polarized and celluloid plastic ball, we have to clearly mention on it 40 plus. Earlier, it was 40. The size is still same. Weight has been increased and the material has been changed, which is known as polarized plastic ball. So it is made of 2 colors or similar color. One is orange, another is white. or matte color or similar color. Mean it can be of creamish white or that milky white, off white. So similar color could be there. Similarly, saffron orange, Danish orange, Nagpur orange. So similar color variation can be there, right? But still it is in two colors. But now it is only white colors are being availed or being occupied, procured by us, because nobody is producing the orange ball. It depends on the manufacturer, because maybe the material will be cheaper for them. But law says it can be of two color, that is orange and white or similar color, matte color, milta julta. Another is racket. See, racket. First of all, let me tell you, it is not bat, it is racket. Let me tell you why it is bat, not bat, why it is racket. I give you the partial definition. The racket could be used both sides, forehand and backhand, but bat could not be used both sides. And another thing, I have found in a research, I found the racket consists of reusable material. Right? Racket consists of strings or reusable material. Badminton mein aapne dekha hoga, you must have seen there are strings, right? In squash, in badminton, in tennis, you must have seen the strings are there. Similarly, in table tennis, we have the reusable material, such kind of plies are there. And we have sheets, which is to be pasted over and it is to be cut over, right? Abhi black and red mandatory tha, lekin October 2021 se, from October 2021, the color of the sheet will also be changed to 4 different colors. One would be of black and another 4 color, pink, violet, green, and one more color, blue. That will be introduced, right? You can see the different colors in table tennis. And from October 2021, it has been already approved by the AGM of ITTF in 2019. 75% member have already approved that. So it is pasted on ply. Over ply, you have to paste the sheet, then it will become your racket. Clear? So racket can be of any size, any shape, any weight. आप छोटा racket ला सकते हो, आप इतना बड़ा racket ला सकते हो. Huge racket you can bring. Any size is allowed, but thickness is mentioned, which I've already sent to ITTF. Thickness is given mean each side, because it can be made of 80% of wood and rest 7.5 each side. 7.5 each side, it can be made of any other material like compressed paper, carbon fiber, or any other material could be utilized. आपने देखा होगा आपके पास कार्बन प्लाई रहती हैं, तो वो 7.5 और 0.35 mm से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए एक साइड. दोनों साइड मिलाकर आपके पास थिकनेस निकाल सकते हो उससे, and the maximum thickness will be 12.667 mm of the racket, complete racket, along with the sheet, because sheet cannot be of more than 4 mm each side. So 8 mm, and the ply thickness is given already in the rules, in the laws. It is 4.667 mm. The total thickness of the racket is mentioned 12.667 mm. Right? So that is the silent feature of racket. Racket consists of plies and the sheet. You can also have the grip. लेकिन उसे बनाने का भी आपको जो यूज करना है glue, that should be VOC free glue. आजकल VOC free glue आते हैं, इस पे लिखा हुआ है VOC free. So free VOC यूज करना है, क्योंकि रैकेट टेस्टिंग में, रैकेट कंट्रोलिंग में that will be checked. तो फ्री चेक और इस तरीके के ग्लू आजकल चल रहे हैं. यू कैन नॉट यूज द पंचर जोड़ने का सॉल्यूशन लाइक द टायर फिक्सिंग सॉल्यूशन could not be used, because according to the laws, racket testing में it will be caught and there would be penalty if you are caught 4 times continuously successfully you have been used that and it has been caught, then you will be debarred for 12 months. There will be a penalty. And later, it will be the lifetime ban also in further time. Right? So we go further. I have already told you about the adhesive sheets are also there. You can use adhesive sheet instead of glue. These are there. Then how it is to be checked? There are lots of things which is to be checked at the time of racket testing. I would show you that device. You can see in the presentation, it is mini RAE light, by which we measure the molecules of VOC through the ultraviolet rays, it is checked and it should be less than 3.3 per part million. In the latest leaflet, it is given per part million, 3.3 per part million. It should be less than that. If it is more than that, and then you will not be able to play with such racket, and the penalty will be imposed on you. So this device is known as mini RAE light, right? So I would request to be here some more time. I show you the leaflet till the time. See, first I tell you the show you the color of the sheets. Wait a minute. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. It is visible now.
Let me open it. See, the future is bright. How new rubber. So these colors, which I have already told you, pink, violet, green, and blue. These four colors will be there. In the first phase, one sheet will be of black color, and rest other sheets can be of out of these four colors. And later, some more regulation will come slowly. But these are to be introduced from October 2021. Clear? One more. You can see its video also. New colors for racket covers.
The AGM decided with more than 75% of the delegates for
Spencer, as the video is loading.
Well, so these colors are to be introduced in October 2021. Pink, violet, then yellow and blue. So once in one side you will be having the black color, and on the other side these in the first phase it would be there. Then the more section will come, and you will be using accordingly. One more thing I would like to share about racket testing. One more thing, racket control.
Spencer?
Yeah, tell
Sorry
me.
to interrupt you. During your presentation, we also have a kind of question pool regarding the table tennis.
Your
so
voice
I'm
is little dull. Lokesh, can you speak little louder?
Okay, sir. I just want to let you know that, sorry to interrupt you first, then we have a question pool of 1 to 5 questions. So for the
Okay, let me
participants.
finish this and then the question answer could be taken.
Okay.
And in quick move, I'll take this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have changed that or what?
Sir, it is already given
Okay.
to the participant. Participant can fill.
Yeah, most important table tennis equipment required to play. Obviously, unless table is not there, you cannot play table.
Correct.
Tennis, right? So first of all, the first and foremost required equipment is table tennis table.
Right.
So I have to answer this or what?
Sir, this is for participant.
Okay.
I have already sent it to them.
Okay, go ahead, please.
They can submit their response over there. The participant, you can listen while listening the presentation. You can submit your response. And one of the person is having joined us now, Mr. Mohan Kumar. So dear participant, he is one of the key person who is always devoted toward promoting table tennis sport. He is also working with Tanvik Sport Academy, which is at Bangalore. Good afternoon, Mohan sir.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for joining us.
Sorry to join late. I was, I'm still outside, but I thought
okay.
Let me, attend. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Dear participants, please do it fast. We have 1 minute left to submit your response. So, sir, did you cover all the means?
Yeah, one more thing is left. That is about racket testing, racket control. If you allow me to, I can go. Otherwise, let it be, and question answer could be taken.
And now, I request all the participants. If you have any doubt regarding with the table tennis equipment and the explanation given by Dr. Pushpendra Swani sir, so you can unmute first yourself and ask your doubt regarding with our today's topic. And it is for all the participants. You have to ask at least one question. So I start with Mohammed Tajuddin.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any question from my end?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. So,
please discuss about the materials of the table. Earlier you said any material can be used as the table.
According to the laws, it can be made of any material, but we have to check the bounce of it. If uniform bounce it receive, then we can utilize. But as per the manufacturer, I have already told you, the manufacturer are using the ply, sheet, board, thickness, and such things are being used. वो लोग बोर्ड यूज करते हैं, 18 mm का बोर्ड यूज करते हैं, कई बार 24 mm का भी यूज करते हैं. तो जो उनको सस्ता पड़ता है, उसमें जो बाउंस मिलता है आफ्टर पुटिंग द पेंट, दे टेस्ट इट, R&D चलती रहती है. उनको जो चीपर पड़ता है वो उसको यूटिलाइज करते हैं. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. आई हैड विजिटेड चाइना, सो आई हैव फाउंड 40 टेबल्स नियर बाय द बीच, मेड ऑफ सीमेंट, मेड ऑफ स्टोन एंड सीमेंट, एंड इट वाज हैविंग अ वंडरफुल बाउंस. आजकल आपने दिल्ली में भी देखा होगा सीमेंट मटेरियल की, स्टोन की टेबल्स चल रही हैं और पार्क वगैरह में लगा देते हैं, तो ऑल वेदर दे आर बीइंग यूटिलाइज्ड. और उनके बाउंस भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, परफेक्ट बाउंस है. तो हमें सिर्फ बाउंस के बारे में बॉदर करना है, बिकॉज लॉज हमें परमिट करता है, लॉज इज परमिटिंग अस बिकॉज इट इज मेड बी ऑफ एनी मटेरियल. जो सस्ता पड़े वी शुड यूज एज अ मैन्युफैक्चरर.
पुष्पेंद्र सर, जो अभी हम इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे वर्क भी कर रहे हैं, regarding with concrete table tennis. तो आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा लगता है? ये मतलब
कॉन्क्रीट टेबल टेनिस की मैंने अजय जी को एक पिक्चर भी प्रोवाइड कराई थी। दिल्ली में सफदरजंग के पास एक पार्क है, वहाँ एक टेबल है, तो मैंने उनको बोला था विजिट करें, उसकी क्वालिटी देखें, बहुत अच्छी बनी हुई है वो। मैंने चाइना के बीच का भी उनको बताया था कि 40 टेबल्स ऑन द रो एंड विद परफेक्ट बाउंस। तो ये पॉपुलर करने के लिए टेबल टेनिस को ये सारी चीजें बनानी चाहिए, करनी चाहिए। कॉन्क्रीट टेबल से एटलीस्ट you would have the ball sense, you will develop the sense of table tennis, तो आपको सेंस डेवलप होगा, करना चाहिए।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
तेजुद्दीन सर, और कोई क्वेश्चन है आपका? ओके, थैंक यू सर। नाउ I request Gaurav sir, if you have any question or regarding with any doubt regarding with today's topic, so you can directly ask with Pushpen sir. Gaurav sir. Okay, we will move to Gaurav sir afterwards. Now I request Raghi Rao. Yes, sir, you can ask your question. Now I request Michael Roy, sir, if you have any doubt regarding with our today's topic. Hello, Michael, sir.
I think they are virtually on, physically off. All people except Tajuddin sir. Okay. Other people are just, putting the phone on and roaming in there.
Okay, so now, Pushpen sir, I have a question regarding with being a point of view as a player. If player first time want to select a racket for their playing, so what are the factors he or she should keep in mind while choosing
to select
their racket? Yeah, yes.
See, as an Indian, I should say the very first racket should be normal one, the cheaper one, so that he can develop the just sense, and then we can provide the better racket. But as a coach, if you can afford, I would suggest every parent the most best racket should be provided to the kid, because lifelong struggle will be going on. If you change the better racket to better racket, another better racket, and the last after 2 years you are going for the best racket.
Okay.
If this is my conception, and as a sports training, I would suggest you, we should play with the equipment which is best from the very first day, from the very beginning. I can understand they can harm the racket, they can destroy the racket, they can, but normally it doesn't happen. At least you will not be having such a struggle, because I have seen, I had started with the 15 rupees racket, then purchased 250, then purchased the normal 5,000 racket, and then 10,000 ply only, then sheet of 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 each. So every year I have to adjust with the racket, which is really a kind of daunting task for me. Earlier I was hitting with a long action. Now less effort is putting by the carbon racket. So why don't we provide the carbon racket the very first day? So this struggle will be less. This will be finished, because if we are providing the best racket. Okay, I can understand it is a costly affair. So we need to develop the sense in the player. With a hanging ball, it can be developed. उनको hanging ball पे एक पट्टे के racket से या फिर ply से खिला सकते हैं धीरे धीरे. Once they have just the idea, they have developed the idea, then we should provide him the best racket, because lifelong struggle in the changing of the equipment will not be there, right? Obviously, the style of play matters. What style you play, offensive style, defensive style, all-round style. So selected sheets or relevant sheets should be selected for that. Relevant racket covering need to be selected for that. But I would still suggest the best racket according to the style of play should be given to the beginner, so that
Beginner.
in other three stages, intermediate and advanced, he will not be having such kind of struggle which we have faced in our life. The best racket should be provided
Best record should be provided.
if you
Thank
can
you.
afford.
Yeah, yeah, that's the main point, no? Actually, the
Many parents they
we
don't want
have
to
to
waste the
also take
money
care
on
of
that.
parents' budget also.
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely. I have already told. As an Indian, I would suggest
correct.
slowly, gradually, the best racket should be provided. Better one, then better one, then better one. But that also, we also face a struggle in that. But if you can afford, you should give the best one.
Very
And
good advice.
now I request Harsh Damor, please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Harsh,
yes, sir.
and start your video also. Harsh,
So wait a minute.
yeah. As we have a table tennis expert, technical expert with us, so being a player, you can ask any questions to him. Okay, Gaurav sir.
अंदर है मैं
पूछ रहे सर
Yeah,
ये
Harsh.
लाइट का बटन कौन सा है
Uh, yes, it's okay. You can ask your question. Okay. Now, Mohan Kumar sir, if you want to say anything regarding with today's our discussion, so you can also share your views with us.
Yeah, Lokesh, frankly, to speak, I am a novice. I'm not a player, but I play for pleasure. You know me, we organize
Okay,
courses, the level one, level
right,
two, level three. I'm more like a,
right.
administrative from that background. But well, I love to be a part of the, whatever you're doing, all that good work.
Okay,
I mean, I don't have any questions as of now, but
okay,
just for pleasure of, gaining the knowledge, I'm here.
okay. Thank you, sir, for we are having you with us. And any participant, if you are having any doubt, you can ask directly with us. And one by one, you have to share your views also. And now I'm just going to share one more pool with you. I'm just closing the last pool one. And here we just having a small pool with you regarding with we have a discussion of concrete table tennis. So it is with that one. We just wait for a 2 minutes to fill this.
Number of table tennis.
The pool contain the question one is
What will be possible?
regarding with the concrete table tennis to promote table tennis at the grassroots level. About your views.
हाँ बस हो गया.
So, so just within a 5 minutes, we're just going to wind up our session.
Thank you, Lokesh. Can I leave now?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
just
sir,
one person is having a question, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In case of concrete table tennis, what kind of net is used as outside boards? Hello.
Yeah, actually, Pushpin sir, Tajuddin want to ask what kind of net assembly we can use on outdoor table tennis table, on outdoor concrete table.
See, outdoor table tennis, it's for fun, for pleasure, or for the awareness purposes. So we can have any kind of net which is in the durable in the quality, right? If we use such kind of net which we use at our table, so it will not be longing or lasting for the long purposes. So we have to have such kind of net which is durable in quality and can last for the longer.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, also, do you recommend such cement tables to be built in schools? How does it work in schools? Hello.
Yeah, Pushpin sir.
No, I didn't get.
So my point is, I was asking, building cement, concrete tables at schools. How does it work? What do you say? What's your thoughts on about? I mean,
It is just for awareness in the park because it's a kind of all-weather. So
Yeah.
it's a kind of all-weather table. It should be placed in the park, like you must have seen the gyms are being placed. So in such park on amusement area where it is free of cost, like in beach areas, in the park areas, to promote and uplift or to make it more popularized. Such efforts are to be placed. Otherwise, the best table tennis is what which you are playing in the clubs, in the halls, in the gyms, and in the sports area.
Yeah.
But it is just for fun, like we play cricket in any ground. Similarly, in any park, if concrete tables are placed, so at least some people will at least try once. So that will develop an awareness as well as it will make it more popularized.
True. Yeah.
And sir, Gaurav sir also told us that in children school, child school, there is also one concrete table is over there. Okay, so with our binding up our session that we are having regarding with our today's topic of table tennis equipment, and it's a pleasure to have views of Dr. Pushpin Puraswani sir, and regarding with he gave us brief and detailed a kind of detailed knowledge of table tennis equipments with the table, ball, and a kind of instruments which is used to measure the standard of standardizing the table tennis racket, and about the blade as well as the different types of seats. And there's some new rules which is introduced on the table tennis racket, color of the sheet, that 4 to 5 color is there, but you should in one side you have to wear a black one, and another side can be of any color. And so it's a very good opportunity for all of us for having such a technical expert with us. Thank you, Pushpin sir, to giving your special views to us and solving our doubts also. And dear participants, you too, without you, we can't imagine such kind of initiative that we are working with. And especially now I'm closing with our Zoom meeting. with thanks to district association, state association, national association, as well as ITTF Foundation, as well as International Table Tennis Federation. So thank you, dear participants. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, sir.
1, 2, 3.